Hello and welcome to the Jennian Manawatu Smart Display Home. This home is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 160 square metre home located in the Tamakuku subdivision overlooking the beautiful Kaua Reserve. I would like to start with a small demonstration of what our smart display home can do. Alexa, let there be light. Now let's get the temperature sorted. Alexa, set the temperature to 20 degrees. This Panasonic ducted aircon uses a full recovery system which is 50% more efficient than the standard ducted heat pump. I'm showing you just the start of our smart home integrations. Other items include a full solar system that as a display home generates more energy than it consumes. The home is run from a smart hub, specifically designed to make living easier and minimise energy usage. The in-ground lawn irrigation reads the weather and minimises water usage based upon this data. If going on a summer holiday, the home can be set to holiday mode, which powers down 90% of the home, which in turn allows the home to generate and return power to the grid. The skylights read the air quality and ventilate the home as required. They also have rain sensing and will shut automatically. Come and see this exceptional display home at number 9 Te Ara o Waihuri, Tamakuku Terrace in Palmerston North.